Parra Citizen Forum and Village Panchayat Parra and the people of Parra. I invite all my fellow Goans on 22nd December when we are going to have this Festival of Stars. आताच नोव्हेंबरान आमचे Festival of Light Akash Kandil competition जाल्ले आणि थंयसर आमकां more than 3000 entries जाल्ल्यो. In the same way, I request all my Goans, Christmas is a occasion of love, joy and peace. आणि हे आमचे 10 वर्स आमी स्टार कॉम्पिटिशन करतात आमच्या गावात पर्रा गावात. So I request all our fellow Goans, please come.
Festival of Stars and presentation and competition of carol singing. The festive season has just begun. 1 तारखेनंतर डिसेंबराचे festive season of Christmas and then coming of the new year has just begun, and preparations are going on all over the world. Indiaचे भायर वचत जाल्यार already all the streets are decorated to bring in the new year, to bring in the Christmas, to all those 15 days, that is nearly 2 weeks. Right from 20th, there are so many functions and celebrations across the world. And here in Goa, that is in Parra, we will decorate this entire street of our Parra from Mapsa Road going up to Kalangut. Panchayats of Vella Kanka, Panchayat of Parra, Arpora, Nagua, Kalangut, they will all decorate the streets. We will welcome the tourists who will be coming over here in large numbers to celebrate Christmas, New Year in our beautiful state. Maybe on the beach, maybe we will go and visit our locals, see their cribs, what they make in their compounds. रोडाचे साइडीक जे व्हडले व्हडले क्रीब आहा ते पळोवपा खातीर स्पेशली गोंया भायले लोक ड्रायव्ह करता गोंयांत. आणि आफ्टर सक्सेसफुली वी सेलिब्रेटेड फेस्टिवल ऑफ लायट्स. इतलो सक्सेसफुल फर्स्ट टाइम जाला आमचो. तशेंच आमी मागता आतां की सगळ्या भुरग्यांनी युथान स्पेशली हे स्टारां करची, इको फ्रेंडली स्टारां करची, आणि ती आमचे प्रेजेंटेशन दॅट इज ऑन 22nd फ्रॉम 10 AM in the morning till night at 12 o'clock हे प्रेजेंटेशन आणि कॉम्पिटिशन चालू उरतले. त्या दिसा तुम्ही हिंगा येवन भाग घेवचो. कॅरल सिंगींग आयकपा खातीर आणि कॉम्पिटिशना खातीर तुम्ही येवचे. त्याचे भायर आमचे कडेन बरे म्युझिकूय आसतले थिंगा. Some musicians are coming from all over Goa to perform in the evening. That is Father Valerian from Aldona is organizing a musical show right from 6:30 to 7:30. That is for 1 hour. So people of all over Goa are welcome to come and watch this, to hear this carols, different songs on Christmas, on coming of the new year. इंस्ट्रुमेंटल म्युझिक सगळे भाशेचे म्युझिक आमच्या पोरांक त्या दिसा आसतले. आमी आनी एकदा सगळ्या गोंयकारांक, पीपल ऑफ इंडिया and across the world who will be coming for the exposition, please come on 22nd to Parra and witness Festival of Stars.
Parra Citizen Forum Association आणि ग्रामपंचायत पर्रा या वर्सा परत एकदा आणि 10वे फावटी अखिल गोंय स्टार प्रेझेंटेशन घडोवन हाडटा. या महिन्याच्या 22 तारखेर